Alright, yes, hello, welcome to my channel Learn Technical Drawing and AutoCAD. Today we are going to talk about different types of lines that we use in our drawings. When do we use each type of a line? When and where do we use each type of line for easy interpretation of our drawings? So we are going to start with this construction line. This line is used in a drawing. Like you have started your drawing. Those first line, it is thin, so those first line you use, it's what we call a construction line. Then we come to our second one. It is the drawing line. The drawing line, it's the one we use to finish up the work. Like you want your work to be visible, to be clearly seen. Like here you may see this one is somehow thick than the construction line, so you have to be knowing the difference between the construction line and the drawing line. The drawing line is the real line we use for our final work, so it is thick like this one. So we go to the third one. It's called a hidden line. The hidden line, this one is used to show some things that we can't see in our drawing, like they are behind, there is a space behind, there is something they are showing, but it's behind, you cannot see it once you on a certain elevation, whether front or end. So that one we use, like on this drawing you can see our hidden line, we cannot see those edges behind. That's why we use this hidden line to show that they are those edges behind. So that's the use of the hidden line, and that's how we apply it. Then here, the fourth one is the center line. The center line, when do we use the center line? The center line, it's, as you hear center, it deals with circular objects or circles. Like in our drawing, our simple sketch drawing here, you can see our circle up here, and inside we have put some center line. So it is used to indicate the interpreter of the drawing that there is a circle or there is something like a circular thing on our drawing. We go to our next type. It is called a phantom line. A phantom line, on this drawing, I've not managed to do it to show it to you clearly, but in our further videos I'm going to show you how we use the phantom line. But to explain it, a phantom line, it is used on objects, drawings that are indicating objects which are moving, or like they are movable, they can move, or they can be something like moving. So that's when we use the phantom line. It shows that this part can move, can slide, can rotate, something like that. So that's the use, and that's where we apply our phantom line type. Then we go to our next one. It's the break line. This one, the break line, when do we use the break line? Even this one I've not been able to show it to you here on our simple sketch, but with further videos I'm going to show how we use the break line. The break line, it is used on maybe shafts. You want to break a shaft and you want to show that it continue goes the shaft, so you put that break line to show, and it indicates that this part is broken. They have break this part, so it's easy to understand. That's why we use a break line to show some. It is commonly used on shafts, like you have break the shaft and it indicates that the shaft is broken. Then we go to our next one. It is the cutting plane. With this cutting plane, I've not been able also to show it to this kind of sketch we have, but the cutting plane, it's used to show or to indicate that at this point you are going to make a section, or you are going to cut to show some hidden things in the drawing. So we use the cutting plane to show that there will be a section on that certain point. Then we go to our last one. It is called the dimension line. As you hear the word dimension line here, I've been able to show it to you. Dimension line, we use it to dimension or to put our dimensions on our drawing. So these are called dimension lines. So you can be able to dimension your drawing for further interpretation of someone who's going to draw or who's going to manufacture that component. So that's our lesson of today. I urge you to like and subscribe. Check out for other videos that will come. These same lines we have not seen here, we are going to be able to apply them in the next videos that are there. So go and check out. Thank you.